In Europe, we have a unique superpower. We turn diversity of cultures, languages, and perspectives into a strategic strength. Collaboration is Europe's competitive advantage. By uniting our knowledge, combining our skills, and complementing our capabilities, we unlock innovation in ways that could not be achieved alone.
Collaboration is critical for driving innovation in the manufacturing sector. What makes a successful innovation partnership are two things: trust and what we call psychological safety. Trust is like the foundation of what we need. Psychological safety is simply the shared belief that you won't be punished or humiliated for speaking up with ideas, concerns, or when you spot mistakes. It's all got to do with the people.
And this superpower is needed, now more than ever. In a time of rapid technological change and facing challenges that transcend borders, innovation is not a solo act.
At Infineon, we team up with startups to develop jointly new application areas and see how our products fit into that. The cooperations with large corporates or with larger entities, of course, also enable us to solve problems where it is much easier to solve these problems together in a consortium or teaming up in a partnership than doing everything alone.
That's why Manufacturing Day is more than just a conference. It's a platform for connection, co-creation, and collaboration that lasts all year. As the flagship manufacturing event of the ViennaUP Startup Festival, we spotlight international industry startups in a dynamic pitching competition, connecting them with corporates, investors, researchers, and public institutions.
It feels really great to be the winner of Boost Up 2025 because it's a really great recognition that we know that we are going in the right directions. We are looking for many different kind of partnerships because we know that on this journey we are not alone.
Manufacturing Day is where fresh ideas meet real-world opportunities and partnerships begin. Here, innovation is ecosystem-driven. Public and private actors work side by side to make bold ideas happen.
It's absolutely vital right now that we demonstrate the impact that we're actually doing. How is that funding going into helping job creation? How is it helping in terms of establishing gender equality? What are we doing to ensure sustainable supply chains and to make sure there is a world without hunger? And looking to see how we can mitigate climate change. We believe there are solutions that exist, and that's the thing that we want to demonstrate to the public.
At Manufacturing Day, we explore what's possible. We challenge limits. We lay the groundwork for the next wave of joint innovation. Let's meet new partners. Let's forge meaningful connections. Because together, we make an impact.